2012 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual front airbags, air conditioning, front, automatic stability control, keyless entry, center armrest, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 capability, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.